Electromagnetic flow meters are commonly used for digital water flow measurement, based on Faraday's principle. These flow meters are ideal for water with conductivity above 5 µS/cm, but are not suitable for measuring pure or RO water. Key features of electromagnetic flow meters. Wide application range. Suitable for various types of water, including drinking water, lake water, irrigation water, seawater, wastewater, slurry water, and even acidic water. Full-bore sensors allow for the measurement of wastewater, water with impurities, and slurry. Durability and low maintenance. With no moving parts, these sensors offer a long lifespan and minimal maintenance. Corrosion resistance. Choose from PTFE or PFA linings and electrodes made from stainless steel, tantalum, or titanium to measure corrosive liquids like seawater or corrosive water. Size flexibility. Available in sizes as small as 4 mm as large as DN 2000 mm, catering to different flow ranges. Digital display. Instantaneous and total flow readings are clearly shown on the electronic display. Multiple communication options. Supports 4 to 20 mA, RS-485, Modbus, Hart Profibus. Contact us at silverinstruments.com for competitive pricing on factory direct digital water flow meters.